If you've ever made a lemon dessert and wished it had more lemon flavor, these lemon sugar cookie bars are for you. They're soft, bright, and topped with a simple lemon glaze that really lets the fresh lemon shine. My daughter loves anything lemon, so she's always the first one to grab a piece whenever I bake a lemon dessert. These definitely passed her test. Let's get started. We're going to start by adding the sugar to a large mixing bowl, then zesting 2 lemons right into the sugar. Use your fingers to rub the zest into the sugar for about 30 seconds. This helps release the oils from the zest and gives the bars even more fresh lemon flavor. Then we're going to add some softened vegan butter and cream everything together until it's light and fluffy. We're going to mix in the applesauce, vanilla, and some fresh lemon juice. Next, we're going to add the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, mixing just until a soft dough comes together. Be careful not to overmix. It's one of the secrets to keeping these bars perfectly soft. We're going to transfer the dough to a parchment-lined 8-inch baking pan and gently press it into an even layer. These bake at 350 degrees for about 22 to 26 minutes, just until the edges are lightly golden and the center is set. We don't want to overbake here. They'll continue to set as they cool, giving you that soft sugar cookie texture. While the bars are cooling, we're going to make a glaze by adding some powdered sugar, lemon zest, and vanilla to a bowl. Pour in the lemon juice and whisk until smooth. If it's still a little thick, just add another splash of lemon juice until it's easier to spread. Spread the glaze over the cooled bars and then let it set before slicing. I usually cut these into larger bakery-style squares because they make such a beautiful presentation, but you can easily cut them into 16 smaller bars if you're serving a crowd. These lemon sugar cookie bars are everything I want in a summer dessert. Bright, fresh, soft, and full of real lemon flavor from both the zest and the juice. They're completely dairy-free, egg-free, and nut-free, proving once again you never have to sacrifice flavor because of food allergies. If you enjoyed this recipe, you'll find plenty more allergy-friendly desserts here on my channel, all designed to help families enjoy great food without missing out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.